Rotary is a group of professionals from diverse backgrounds, and we come together to do community service.
We come together, we collaborate, and then we take action.
Rotary is probably one of the best ways to give back to the community that you live in, to make it stronger, more vibrant, and it's also a good way to get to know really great people.
The main focus Kahala Sunrise has chosen is education or literacy.
And we do a lot of projects that help underprivileged kids and underprivileged schools.
They include things such as doing backpacks for kids going to school, to helping with vision screening.
We participate in a dictionary project where we go to public schools and hand out dictionaries to students.
When you go and hand out dictionaries to kids, you realize that some of these kids, this is the first book anyone has ever given them.
Some of the other projects we've done recently, we've gone to the zoo. We've helped do a zoo cleanup where we've weeded a certain area for the children's garden. And recently we also had a garage sale to also help raise money for education.
One other thing that Rotary does that is really great in our community is the scholarships that are available for high school seniors.
My favorite service project was the fish pond, where we actually got to go to this beautiful fish pond on the east side, and we had to pick out invasive lemur. It was a really great experience, and I really wouldn't have been able to experience that unless I was part of this group.
We also do homeless projects, serving River of Life mission, giving them clothes and feeding the homeless. You just don't realize how much the community needs until you get into Rotary.
By donating to Rotary, you're taking people who are involved in the community and arming them so they can be more effective in doing things like improving education, helping the homeless, whatever the needs of the community are. There's no bureaucracy, it's direct.
You're giving back to future generations for their education. You're giving back to seniors going on to higher education, and that is just priceless.
A little donation or a big donation to Rotary is able to do the things you can't do individually.
So by donating to Rotary, you're going to be helping us with our efforts to give back to the community, the charities, and at the end of the day, it's going to be the community that receives the help.
We in the Rotary Club provide the labor, but in order to execute the projects, we need to have supplies, we need to have equipment, and we often need to have a small amount of money to donate to the nonprofit organizations that we assist.
On behalf of the Rotary Club of Kahala Sunrise, we want to really thank you for your donations. The community thanks you, and we're so happy that you could help us out.